Hey everybody, it's Michael Antonio. Today I am showing off the what is called a 6 degree of freedom or 6DOF robotic arm that I built. I got this off of Amazon. There are a number of very similar kits if you just look for 6DOF on uh, uh, Amazon. There's a bunch of these robot arms available, and they all seem to be more or less the same. Now, the deal with these is that they don't actually come with any instructions or necessarily everything that you would need to make it work as like a robot arm. This one came with the servos and the metal pieces. Some of them just come with the metal pieces, and then you have to buy the servos. So, just be careful when you're buying it. In terms of that, here I have this set up to a servo tester. Now it says 6 degree of freedoms. As I said, that's the number of servos. And so, what I have found is that my batteries cannot handle all 6 servos at the same time, nor can I actually plug them into my servo tester. So I'm doing 3 here, and so one of them will open and close the jaws of the hand here. One will rotate the hand, and the other one will rotate what I'm just going to call the wrist here. And so I'm just going to show you how that works as I start to move this. You can see that the arm is opening, that the hand is rotating a little bit. I think that's, over a bit longer. That's more obvious, and the wrist goes up and down because, of course, I'm controlling these all simultaneously here, and so that's just what this does. So I will say that this was sort of a big project to put together. I frequently, having not done really anything with servos before, I had to spend a lot of time building things and then realizing that some of the screws were the wrong way. It's very important to know where the nut part and where the head part of the screw needs to go, what that orientation is, because sometimes if you choose incorrectly, you end up with something that's impossible to build, and then you have to start taking it apart. So I had a number of those go on, and just sort of figuring out how to work with servos. I highly recommend getting a servo tester with a digital display on it. I found that to be really helpful, and this can theoretically test like 4 servos, 4 servos at a time, but that doesn't actually work with just 4 AAA batteries, I found. And then I've just got a little breadboard here to to hook the whole thing up, and so that is just kind of a really easy way for me